9 plus 1 gives us 10, and 10 times 10 is equal to 100, and 100 divided by 100 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, and it is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent, right? Exponent is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. Here is where most people get wrong. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, right? They are priority number 3, and we have to solve the problem left to right, starting from left all the way to the right. So if we have 100 divided by 10 times 10, we are not going to solve the multiplication first. We have to solve the division, not because division have higher priority than multiplication, but division comes first, right? Since we are solving the problem left to right, we are going to start from the left side, and we are going to do in that exact order. So 10 divided by, 100 divided by 10 is 10, and 10 is going to be multiplied by 10. So that is the right order to solve, right? So let's go and see if we can solve this. So 9 plus 1 gives us 10, and the problem becomes 100 divided by 10 times 10, right? Here we have 100 divided by 10, which is 10, and 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So the final answer to this question is 100.